Welcome to the product prototyping. This class is regarding choosing the right template for our project. Let's get started. First, we should know about product prototyping. So what is product prototyping in mobile applications? A prototype is an interactive mock-up of a mobile app. It contains key user interfaces, screens, and simulated functions without any working code or final design elements. Prototypes allow you to gather better feedback on your app's usability and functionalities early on. Prototypes are valuable validation and testing tools that allow you to verify the feasibility of your app concept. How prototyping is helpful. Let's discuss the benefits of creating a prototype for a mobile application. 1. Prototyping also allows you to compare two or more variations on the app's interface more accurately. Can't decide if your navigation menu should be at the right or bottom of the screen? Test them out using two prototypes and see which one users like best. 2. Helps with focus and collaboration. Prototyping isn't just a great testing tool but a great project roadmap as well. It gives you a visual tool to communicate your app's design, flow, and function. 3. One of the most significant time and money sinks on any development project is the reworks and revisions on the finished app. One of the most significant time and money sinks on any development project is the reworks and revisions on the finished app. We use the insights to either refine or remove features and UI elements before we commit expensive resources and development time on them. This makes our application building process faster. Let's break down the prototyping in 3 steps. Step 1. Identify must-have functionalities. Step 2. Searching template. And Step 3. Test your template. Step 1. Identify must-have functionalities. Prototyping is all about testing the core functionalities of your app, so your first step is to identify what these are. Your prototype should focus on the app features that are essential, innovative, and highly relevant to your users. These are the things that you'll spend the most time simulating or fleshing out in the prototype. App should have following functionalities. Registration screen template should have registration and login screen. Dashboard. It should contain a dashboard to monitor diets. At least one scanner. It will be helpful if template should have any of the scanner. It is optional. Good UI with multiple screens. Template must have a good-looking UI with multiple screens such as settings, profile, search, etc. Feedback. We need a feedback section to get users' feedback. Step 2. Searching template. We need to find a template for our application. Templates are vital to speed up the prototyping process because you don't need to create layouts from scratch. They're great for inspiration as well if you find yourself short on ideas. What's more, most of these templates are based on proven designs, which means you're starting the prototype on a great foundation. This makes our development process faster and cheaper. Follow the following steps. Go to CodeCanyon site and search Diet app or Fitness app in search bar. Find a suitable template keeping app functionalities in mind. Step 3. Test your template. Our app should meet the requirements to be used further. We need an diet app in which have a good-looking UI and multiple screens with diet tracking features. Check the video and screenshots of the templates and read the description before choosing. Now, the point is why our app is faster, cheaper and better. It is faster because you can build it in 10 days. It is cheaper because you don't need to build the app from scratch. We will build on the top of the template. It is better because it is an AI-powered fully functional product. We require a template on which we can build our app, integrate it with AI and release it in market. We'll provide the link of the template that we are using. This is the initial template. We will modify the dashboard page and add a recipe page with other useful screens. We will also implement scanners in this template. After implementing scanners, users will have multiple options to track their diet. Based on the process flow above and the foregoing discussions, we are now ready to formulate our product prototype. Adding product prototyping, that is an app template to make our product cheaper, faster and better. You have reached the end of this lab. In the next class, we will jump into the technical part of the product development process.